Hello everyone, this is Mr. Construction Channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to repair big cracks on the mortar-plastered wall. This method was successfully used in my project. Please subscribe to my channel for more updated videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go into further. 1. Tool and equipment. Grinder motor. Wire brush. Trowel. Paint scraper. Cutting motor. Dust collector motor. Mask. Scaffolding. Catwalk. Safety belt. The next section is material. Addur AE921. MapeNet 150. Map elastic. Finally, skim coat, primer, and paint. 3. Work procedure. Step 1. Removing existing paint around crack with a minimum of 15 cm width. Step 2. Chipping as V-shaped of the plastered mortar at the location where cracks happened of 10 mm width and of 10 mm depth. Step 3. Cleaning the chipping area and make sure no debris or dust. Step 4. Applying Addur AE921 at the chipping locations of crack line. Then keep it cured at least 2 hours. Step 5. Placing MapeNet 150 with a minimum of 15 cm width at the crack line center. Step 6. Applying map elastic of 3 coats. Note that each coat be cured at least 4 hours. Step 7. Applying skim coat. Then applying skim coat primer. Finally painting the wall.